Hey, this is JD and FIA. Today I will be showing you how to harmonize the B major scale. All right, the B major scale goes as follows: B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. All right, so we'll be playing these chords similar to the chords, same chords that we played in other videos that we've done on harmonizing the scale. All right, so our first chord is going to be a B major 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing B and F sharp. Right hand, I'm playing A sharp and D sharp. The way I'm doing it though, I'm playing F sharp first. Up top, I'm going to hit the F sharp, come off the C sharp to the D sharp, and at the same time I hit the D sharp, I'm going to play the A sharp, like that. Next chord, I'm just going to walk off. I'm going to go to the C sharp on my left hand. So I have C sharp and G sharp. Right hand, I'm going to play C sharp, D sharp, E. All right. That's it for my 2. So we got 1, 2. All right. My 3, with my pinky, I'm going to play the B up top. And then I'm going to play this chord here. Left hand, I'm playing D sharp. Right hand, I'm playing C sharp, F sharp, and B. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3. All right. For our 4th chord, we're going to hit the B again up top, and we're going to play an E major 7 chord. Left hand, I have E. Right hand, I'm playing D sharp and G sharp. The way I'm doing that though, I'm hitting the B first up top, then I'm going to come off the F sharp to the G sharp. And when I play that G sharp, I'm going to hit the D sharp, like that. So far we have B, C sharp, D sharp, E. All right. For the G sharp, or for the F sharp, I'm going to play F sharp and C sharp. Right hand, we're going to come off the G sharp, A sharp. Like that. That's it. All right, same thing off the G sharp. I'm going to play G sharp and D sharp in my left hand. Right hand, I'm coming off the G sharp, A sharp to the B. Right there. That's my 6th chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp to the G sharp. All right. Then I'm going to play the F sharp up top to set me up for my 7. All right. So what I'm playing is left hand, I'm playing A sharp. Right hand, I'm playing G sharp, C sharp, F sharp. So I'm hitting the F sharp first, same way I did the other chord. Hit the F sharp first, and then hit the rest of the other 3 notes: A sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Then I'm gonna hit the F sharp again, and go to that same 1 chord that I played. Left hand B and F sharp. Right hand B, A sharp, and D sharp. Coming off the C sharp to get there. Like that. Hit the F sharp, and then play your chord like that. You can also come down an octave and do it. It sounds pretty good. Sorry about that. Do that one more time. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.